Hi everyone, my name is Dustin Schultz and welcome to my course on Spring Boot Actuator. I'm a software engineer at heart and have been developing with Spring for almost 15 years. I use it on a daily basis to build applications, APIs, and microservices. Spring Boot Actuator is a module in Spring Boot that provides built-in features to help you run, monitor, and manage your Spring Boot applications in production. In this course, we'll cover the most important parts of Spring Boot Actuator so you can get up to speed quickly. Some of the major topics we'll cover include: what is Spring Boot Actuator? What is an Actuator Endpoint? What production-ready endpoints are built in by default, and what do they provide? What endpoints can be customized, and how are custom Actuator endpoints created? By the end of this course, you'll have an expert understanding of Spring Boot Actuator and how you can apply it to your own projects. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Spring Boot Actuator with the Spring Framework Spring Boot Actuator course at Pluralsight.